Miss, alam niyo po ba kung nasan yung katawan ni Zack Zamora?
Relative po ba kayo?
Girlfriend po siya.
Nurse, paki-assist na lang po sila.
Dito na lang po. Dito.
Let's go.
Saan ba?
Liv!
Si Tito Leonard?
What happened to Zack? Paano siya nasunog? Bakit siya nasunog? Sino gumawa nun, Liv? Sino? Who did it? Who did this to my son?
Hindi ko po alam.
You guys were at the gym, right?
Yeah.
Kayo huling nakakita sa kanya. It's impossible! Wala kang alam.
Liv is telling the truth. Nung dumating kami sa glass studio, nasusunog na si Zack.
Hindi ako tanga. Zack will not purposely light himself on fire. He will not do that. Somebody did this. Kahit tingnan niyo pa yung bangkay niya eh. He will not engulf himself in flames. He just won't. May gumawa nito, okay? May pumatay sa anak ko.